Hi, today we're going to read the book Bear Snores On. It's a story written by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. That means she drew the beautiful pictures. Can you see on the front the bear who's fast asleep with all the animals around him? I wonder what would happen if the bear woke up. Well, let's see. In a cave in the woods in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Can you see him in the corner of his cave there, fast asleep? Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter-tiptoe, crawls to the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark," so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in.
"Hi, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see."
So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs snuffs at the air.
"I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts,"
Badger says with a grin. So they divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Can you see all the animals dancing around in a circle? Can you see their silhouettes? In the background there, can you see the bear still fast asleep? I wonder, do you think you could sleep through if there was a party going on in your room? Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes bear Ra-choo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls growls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans. And he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, bear sighs with delight as he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a clear, crisp dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Can you see them all fast asleep, cuddling up with the bear? I wonder, is that what you thought would happen when the bear woke up?